Hello, hello mga basketball! Kumusta po kayong lahat? Okay, before anything else, we'd like to say good afternoon, good evening, good morning, good day, wherever you are. Alright! So sana po, lahat po tayo ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. Alright. Kahit po saan po tayo sa sulok ng mundo. Okay. So, today po, again, we're going to do some unboxing. But, before doing that, I would like to take this opportunity to have a performance review of New Balance Two-Way version 4. Ito po yun. So, in-unbox ko po to already maybe 4 months or 5 months ago. Ito po yung version 4, right, ng two-way. So, traction po, kita nyo po, kagagamit ko pa lang po to yesterday evening. So, yung traction po, maganda po siya. Alright, maganda naman po yung traction kahit po nga medyo madulas yung court, pero maganda po yung kapit niya. So, siguro magkatanong kayo, bakit ko nalaman na madulas? Kasi some of my of the player medyo nadudulas po sila. But this shoe, hindi po ako nadulas. So I think the traction is excellent, alright? And yung support po niya, maganda rin po. Sa akin po, in my experience, ang downside lang po nitong version 4 ay yung pong dito po sa parting to, dito, okay, medyo po masakit dito sa paa ko. So, I think, pero nang tumatagal na po, medyo okay na po. So, I think yung shoelace lang po niya ay medyo matigas pa po during that time na bago po siyang suot. Kaya po sumakit. But overall po, I can recommend this basketball shoe, this New Balance Two-Way version 4 na maganda po ilaro ng basketball. Okay, yung support niya po, yung traction, and comfortable po yung paa ko. Pero, nung una pong suot ko, medyo po masakit po dito sa parting to. Okay, yung paa ko po, nang tumatama to, medyo masakit. Alright? So, I think next time, hanggang dito lang po siguro yung shoelace niya. Kaya lang po, baka yung suporta naman po ang makompromise. Alright? Thank you po for listening. And let's go to the main business. Heto na po yun, mga basketball, ang i-unbox natin this evening. Alright? Okay. Po. Air Jordan 14 Retro. So, this is called po Jordan 14 Black Toe. Alright? Okay. Let's do it. Surprise po, hindi nyo po nakikita. Okay? Ilalabas ko po muna from the box. Ito po yung resibo. I put in the side. Meron po akong sticker. 14. Dito. I mean, it's not a sticker. It's a cardboard. Right? 14. Okay? Okay. Lagay po rin natin sa side. Then, ilabas na po natin ang bad boy na to. Alright. Here we go, mga basketball. Isa lang po muna. Have a closer look, mga basketball. Okay? So, I think if you are a Jordan fan and you love Air Jordan shoes, alam nyo na po siguro ang Jordan 14. Alright? So, yung pong pinakasikat na Jordan 14 is the last shot. Right? yun po ang paborito ko, 1 to 14. So yung 14 po yun. It considers the most iconic Air Jordan and the 14 lineup. Right? Okay. So, nakita nyo naman po, ang leather po niya ay napakalinis. Right? So, kaya po siya tinawag na black toe. Self-explanatory, right? Kasi po itim to. Right? Kaya po black toe. So, I love the cleanliness of this shoe, right? Just, again, gusto ko po ay napakasimple lang pong colorway. So, that's why hindi ko po to pinilampas. So, it is just black and white and a little bit of red. Right? Okay? So, for sure, Michael Jordan wore this shoe during his playing days. Right? Okay. Okay, let's check kung mayroon po kung kapares. What I meant is, mayroon bang pangkaliwa at pangkanan? Because right now, I'm holding yung pangkaliwa, right? Oh, pangkaliwa. Ito naman, pangkanan. See? Right. Pangkanan, saka pangkaliwa, mga basketball. Right. See? High-tech po tayo dito. Right? Okay. So, have a closer look, guys. Tingnan nyo po yung leather niya. Napakalinis po, right? Of course, iconic Jumpman. And yung 23 po niya. Right? So, yung iba pong retro, wala pong 23. Right? So, ito po, napakalaki, yung Jordan 14. Right? So, isa po yun sa nagustuhan ko. And I can like wear this in, you know, in malling. Right? Kasi po medyo maporma po siya. Compare to other retros. Right? So, mid lang po siya. Hindi po siya talagang high cut. Right? Pwede mong isotso while wearing short, right? Okay. Thank you very much, mga basketball, for watching. And by the way, thank you very much to my new subscribers. We're already 206. Thank you very, very much and welcome to our channel. Okay? Thank you. And also, thank you po sa mga comments nyo. So if you have any question, I will try my best to answer a question, but I cannot assure you that I can give you the right answer, but I will try my best. Okay? Thank you again, mga basketball, and see you